He enjoys that, making a dotted line in the sky. Back onto the vertical again. He's hanging and he's upside down this time. Whoa, there's the push through. And now he's looking straight at the ground. Pull out. Now, just for your information, if you happen to think that this kind of flying is a lot of fun, you'd be right. But it's not an easy form of flying either. You're going to see pilots exposed to all kinds of G-forces here today. And they're going to be literally thrown around the cockpit of these airplanes. Here comes Gary Ward. Get your cameras out. Here we go. Nice photo pass. Gary, get away from those trees, please. As you can see, by flying sideways, no shortage of horsepower in this airplane.
That's so awesome.